Hello friends, today's topic market crash, investors lose 8 lakh crores in one day. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. After reaching a milestone today of becoming the fourth largest stock market in terms of market cap, beating Hong Kong, Indian markets gradually started sliding down and finally closed 1.5% lower. Due to the fall, the market cap of Indian stocks fell approximately rupees 8 lakh crores today. Performance of various indices today: Nifty 50 minus 1.54%, 52 weeks high 22,124, current level 21,239. Nifty mid cap 50, the percentage of change today minus 3.15%, 52 weeks high 13,583, current level 13,049. Nifty small cap 100, percentage of change today minus 2.87%, 52 weeks high 15,687, current level 15,073. As of now, Nifty 50 index has fallen by 4% from its all-time high. This is nothing compared to a good rally from 1st November 2023 till 15 January 2024 when Nifty went up by 16%. So this is just a small fall compared to the overall rally in the last 3 months. Now in front of you is a graphic description Nifty 50 index, and it was plus 16%, now minus 4%, 22,100 has come down to 21,239. You may be curious to know the major reasons for the fall in the market. Number one, 3% fall in HDFC Bank shares. HDFC Bank continued to fall today as a continuation of the reaction to the weak quarter results. So the HDFC Bank has a weightage of around 13% of Nifty 50 index. It contributed a significant percentage of the fall in the index. As per data, FIIs have been reducing their stake in HDFC Bank. Second reason, 2% fall in Reliance shares. Global brokerage Citi has downgraded the Reliance stock to neutral rating with a target price of 2,910, saying that RIL's recent stock outperformance will limit too much. Its quarter results were as per expectations and not above expectations. Reliance also has a weightage of 9% in Nifty 50. Other oil and gas companies also fell by 4 to 6% today. Number 3, profit booking. Analysts have long been warning against many stocks reaching very high valuations and being in overbought zones. Due to superb continuous rally in the last 3 months, profit booking has been due. Hence, in the last 1 week, including today, there has been 2 days with good corrections. Mid and small cap indices are also due for correction. Number 4, FIIs have turned net sellers in January. After buying stocks in the last 2 months, FIIs have been net sellers in Indian stocks worth more than rupees 13,000 crores so far in January 2024. Domestic institutions have been investing funds to absorb the fall. Number 5, SEBI rules on ownership. SEBI may impose strict ultimate beneficial ownership norms for overseas investors from January 1st. FIIs need to clearly disclose who are their investors. If such funds are not able to comply with these SEBI rules, there could be a sell-off in Indian stocks in the range of 1.5 lakh crores to 2 lakh crores over the next 6 months by such FIIs. Special Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute WhatsApp community channel. Many people have been asking us to make a big WhatsApp group in order to inform everybody regarding the stocks and regarding the videos and regarding other news. Normally, it comes in the YouTube with a notification, but many people are complaining that they are not getting notification, and due to which they are missing many crucial important videos. In view of it, in order to benefit large number of people, we have created a special WhatsApp channel. Number 1, get your YouTube video links directly on your WhatsApp. 2, we will be able to share article, links, photos which cannot be shared on YouTube, since in YouTube it needs to be in video form only. 3, it is easy for channel members to share the information to their friends, relatives on WhatsApp. There is one more interesting benefit for joining this WhatsApp group. Nobody will know your number, nor we will know your number. Absolute privacy is maintained. The way you yourself can join the WhatsApp channel, you yourself can leave it anytime you want. Now, if you are interested to join our WhatsApp channel, the link to join is in the description box below. You will need to view the channel and follow it. Please note that since this is a WhatsApp channel, you will not be able to reply to the message, nor can anybody else contact you on their own. Plus, already about 700 people have joined. There is no upper limit. Now, coming back to the matter of the video, how much more will stock market fall? There was a support for Nifty around 21,400, 21,500 level. However, Nifty closed at 21,239 and breaking the support 21,000 could be the psychological support. If it is broken, there could be further profit booking. Such falls in markets are good opportunity for long-term investors. It is like a discount sale for such investors. Continue SCP in fundamentally strong stocks you have selected. Invest any lump sum amount in 4 to 5 installments for the next few weeks and months. In case you don't have any money to invest for long term, don't do anything. Don't think of selling unless you realize that your stocks are not good or you need money for some emergency. This is why we say invest money which you don't require for minimum 6 years and maintain a separate emergency fund of 6 months expenses so that you are not forced to sell your stocks. End of the video, here is the question. Are you expecting further profit booking in the next 1 week? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.